Diagram with the transformer connections and the type of fault, we can see how the current will flow for a 2-line to ground fault on phase B and C on the 13.8 kV system. The positive and negative sequence networks, as well as a zero sequence network in parallel. Now, this is discussed in great detail in our video on double line to ground faults in topic 2. Base value of current, the base value of current being 1255 amps that we have seen in the earlier videos. That simply gives us 5,977 amps at the angle of negative 90 degrees. Plugging in the values of the A operator and our calculated sequence current values as shown, and what we get by simply letting our calculators do the math, whereas phase C has an angle of 36.58 degrees. There is non-conformity of angles, and it's probably due to the fact that ground is involved. But when we draw GeneralPAC.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/GeneralPAC. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is Illumiax.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.